If Google Chrome is your preferred web browser, here are a few tips to improve your browsing experience and take full advantage of Chrome in Windows 11. Keep Chrome accessible by pinning it to the Windows taskbar. Simply go to Start, enter Google Chrome, right-click on the app option, and select Pin to Taskbar. You should see the Chrome icon appear on your device's taskbar. Click on it here for quick, easy access to the web. Curious how to remove pesky browser ads? Click the link shown to learn the steps. Having different user profiles for Chrome is useful when sharing a computer with others, but you would like to keep browsing data and accounts separate. To do this, open Google Chrome, then in the upper right-hand corner, click on the profile icon, and then click Add. Signing in with an existing Google account will synchronize all your data, or click Continue without an account to create a new local account, which we will use for this demonstration. For a new local account, you can edit the profile picture, add a name or label, you can customize the color, and tick if you want a shortcut created. Then click Done. If you chose to use an existing Google account, the profile name and picture would automatically be set. With multiple profiles created, click the profile icon to switch between profiles. Just select the one you want to use. Need to update your drivers? Use Dell Support Assist. Click the link shown for more details. If you tend to keep a lot of tabs open while browsing, you can organize and condense tabs by creating tab groups. Do this by right-clicking on any open tab and select Add Tab to New Group. Name a new tab group and choose a color. The tab used will automatically be included in the new group. Once created, you can drag any other open tabs onto a group tab to add them. With various tab groups created, you can add to them by dragging over open tabs or right-click on an open tab, then select a tab group from the drop-down menu. Click on a colored tab group to collapse the contents. This condenses tab clutter, which creates more space without closing any tabs. Click on it again to expand it. To learn how you can upgrade your Dell PC, click the link shown for all the information. Use keyboard shortcuts to save time when performing common actions in Chrome. Here are some of the most common. Ctrl-Shift-T reopens the last closed tab. Use Ctrl-D to bookmark your current page. Ctrl-Shift-Delete will clear your browsing data. To adjust the screen zoom, use Ctrl+ to zoom in and Ctrl- to zoom out. Ctrl-0 will reset the zoom back to default. Feel free to add other shortcuts or tips you think are useful in the video comments. And remember, anytime you need help or have questions, you can always contact us through social media for assistance. Don't forget, we also have the Dell Community Forum, and subscribe to our channel to get access to all our support videos and much more. Thanks for watching this Dell Tech Support video production.